Hey everyone, have you ever found yourself constantly checking your phone, hoping to see a message from her? You replay your last conversation in your head, wondering, did I say the right thing? Does she even think about me when I'm not around? It's a frustrating feeling. You put in the effort, and you're a great guy, but somehow you don't feel like a priority in her mind. What if you could flip the script? What if you could become that intriguing, memorable man that she naturally finds herself thinking about and, more importantly, missing when you're apart? Today, we're diving into exactly that. This isn't about manipulation or playing games. This is about understanding human psychology and becoming the best, most confident version of yourself. A version that is genuinely magnetic. We're covering 5 powerfully simple ways to make any woman miss you. Let's get started. Our first principle might seem counterintuitive, but it's incredibly powerful. Master the art of the exit. Most guys make a crucial mistake. They overstay their welcome. They drag out a date until the conversation gets boring. They text for hours until they run out of things to say. They become predictable, and predictability is the enemy of mystery and longing. The key is to always leave her wanting more. End your dates on a high note, when the laughter is loud and the energy is positive. Be the one to say, "I've had an amazing time tonight, but I should probably head out. Let's continue this soon." When you're on a phone or video call, keep it concise and engaging. It's far better to have a vibrant 20-minute call that ends with, "I've got to run, but I really enjoyed talking to you," than a 2-hour slog where you're both just waiting for it to be over. By controlling the exit, you do 2 things. First, you associate yourself with positive, high-energy emotions. Second, you create a vacuum. Her mind will naturally fill that space with thoughts of you, wondering what you're doing and when she'll see you again. You become a source of fun that she doesn't want to end, not a chore she has to endure. This is, without a doubt, the most important principle on this list. You cannot make someone miss you if there's nothing to miss. You must live a captivating life. Ask yourself, what are you bringing to the table? Are your stories interesting? Do you have passions, goals, and a social circle that excites you? A woman is far more likely to miss a man who has a full, exciting life than one who is constantly available and makes her his entire world. Your mission is to become the highlight she gets to be a part of, not the entire movie. Work on your hobbies. Hit the gym. Advance in your career. Spend quality time with your friends. When you do this, 3 magical things happen. You become more confident. Nothing is more attractive than genuine self-confidence, which comes from achieving your own goals. You have interesting things to talk about. You're not just asking her about her day. You're sharing exciting stories from your life. You create scarcity. You're a busy, in-demand man. She can't have your attention 24/7. So when she does get it, it feels more valuable. She'll miss the fun, driven, and interesting man you are when you're out there conquering your world. Principle number 3 is to be a source of positive emotion. Human beings are hardwired to gravitate towards things that make us feel good. If you can be the person who consistently makes a woman feel appreciated, joyful, and secure, she will unconsciously associate you with those positive feelings. And she will crave that feeling when you're not around. How do you do this? Be a great listener. When she talks, listen to understand. not just to reply. Remember the small details and bring them up later. This shows you genuinely care. Create fun and laughter. Don't take yourself too seriously. Be playful. Tease her lightly. And plan creative dates that are experiences, not just dinners. Give genuine compliments. Focus on her personality, her intelligence, her passion, things deeper than just her looks. Make her feel seen for who she is. When you become her dose of happiness, she will miss that emotional high when you're not there. You're not just another guy. You're the guy who makes her feel amazing. In our hyper-connected world, silence has become a superpower. Principle number 4 is the power of strategic silence. This is mainly about texting and communication between dates. The biggest mistake is being constantly available, replying to every text within 30 seconds. Double texting if she doesn't reply. This screams neediness and lack of purpose. You need to break the cycle of predictable communication. Sometimes, take a few hours to reply. Be engaged and present when you do text. But don't feel the need to be in a constant, all-day conversation. This doesn't mean playing games or ignoring her. It means having your own life and priorities that are more important than your phone. This strategic silence builds anticipation. It gives her space to wonder what you're up to. It makes your actual conversations more meaningful because they aren't diluted by endless, low-value chit-chat. When you're not always in her face, she has the mental space to actually miss you. Our final principle is a psychological masterstroke. Create unique and memorable anchor moments. An anchor in psychology is a stimulus that triggers a specific emotional state or memory. You can create these anchors with her intentionally. This is about creating inside jokes, sharing a specific song that becomes your song, or having a special place, like the bench where you had your first deep conversation, or the cafe where you always get hot chocolate. For example, if you have a fantastic, laughter-filled date at a mini golf course, mini golf becomes an anchor for those fun feelings. Later, if she drives past a mini golf course, or you simply text her, still thinking about that hole-in-one at mini golf, you instantly trigger that positive memory and the emotions attached to it, and by extension, the emotions attached to you. These unique anchors are powerful triggers for missing someone. They are little landmines of memory you've planted in her everyday life that will remind her of you in the most positive way. So, let's recap those 5 powerfully simple ways. Master the art of the exit. Live a captivating life. Be a source of positive emotion. Embrace the power of strategic silence. Create unique and memorable anchor moments. Remember, this isn't about tricks. It's about transformation. It's about shifting your focus from, how can I make her like me, to, how can I become the most compelling man I can be? When you do that, making her miss you becomes a natural and effortless byproduct. Thanks for watching. If this added value to your life, hit that like button and subscribe for more. Let me know in the comments which principle you're going to work on first. See you in the next one.